Hi friends, in previous video we discussed how to find image of a line in a plane if a line is parallel to a given plane. In this case we are discussing if a line intersects the given plane, how to find image of that particular line. Let's consider we have a plane and a line, and this line intersects the given plane at point A, and what the equation of plane is 2x minus y plus z plus 3 equals 0, and the equation of a line is x minus 1 upon 0 equals to y minus 3 upon 1 equals z minus 4 upon 7. First of all, we are going to verify whether the line intersects the plane or is parallel to the plane. For that, again, the parallel vector from equation of a line, we know the drs of a parallel vector. Let B is a parallel vector and the drs of parallel vector B will be 0, 1 and 7. And from equation of plane, we can take the drs of a normal to the plane, and the normal to the plane drs are, n is a normal to plane, drs will be 2 minus 1 1. Now line will be parallel to the plane if n is perpendicular to b, means b dot n is 0. So first of all, I'll find the dot product of vector b and vector n, and the dot product will be 0 times 2 plus 1 times minus 1 plus 7 times 1, which is equals to 6 and is not equal to 0. Hence b is not perpendicular to n, which means the line and plane intersects each other, they are not parallel. What we are going to do in the question is we'll find this image of a given line in the plane, and from equation of a line we know a given point, one point on the line which is 1, 3, 4, and let that point be P. So the coordinates of point P will be 1, 3, 4. One more thing I need to verify whether P lies on the given plane or not. To check, I will substitute 1, 3, 4 instead of x, y, z, and I will check whether it satisfies or not. So substituting, I will get 2 times 1 minus 3 plus 4 plus 3, and solving I will get this equals to 6, which is again not equal to 0, and it means it does not satisfy this equation, and hence the point P doesn't lie on a given plane. In order to find image of a line, I have to find the image of point P, which is P dash, and which lies on the image of a line. Before finding P dash, I will find M, as we discussed in the previous videos also. And in order to find this, I will be using a normal vector which is parallel to a line passing through PP dash. I have a parallel vector and I have a point on line PP dash, and using this we will get the equation of this line, and it will be x minus 1 upon 2 equals to y minus 3 upon minus 1 equals to z minus 4 upon 1. So this is equation of line which passes through PP dash, and if I take this equals to lambda, every point on line passing through PP dash must satisfy this equation. M also lies on the same line, so M will also satisfy this equation, and I can express the coordinates x, y and z as 2 lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 3 and lambda plus 4. So m can be expressed as 2 lambda plus 1 comma minus lambda plus 3 comma lambda plus 4. M lies on the given plane. So M must satisfy this equation, and if I substitute, instead of x I substitute 2 lambda plus 1 instead of y, minus lambda plus 3, and instead of z lambda plus 4, it must satisfy the equation, and I will get a linear equation in terms of lambda. I can find lambda in that case, so I will get 2 times 2 lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 3 plus lambda plus 4 plus 3 equals 0. Solving, I will get lambda equals to minus 2. And if lambda is minus 2, if I substitute lambda equals to minus 2, I will get the coordinates of m, and the coordinates of m will be minus 3 comma 5 comma 2. Using midpoint formula, I can find the coordinates of p dash. Let the coordinates be alpha, beta, gamma, and using midpoint formula, I know that alpha plus 1 upon 2 has to be equal to minus 3, beta plus 3 upon 2 has to be equal to 5, gamma plus 4 upon 2 has to be equals to 2. And solving, I get the values of alpha, beta and gamma. So alpha will be equals to minus 7, beta will be equals to 10 minus 3, 7, gamma will be equals to 0. So I got the values of alpha, beta and gamma, minus 7, 7 and 2. We can also find the point of intersection of line and a plane. Given line, the equation of given line is x minus 1 upon 0. If I take this equals to k, every point on this line can be expressed in terms of k, and it will be equals to 1. If I equate these two, I will get y equals to k plus 3 and z equals to 7k plus 4. Now again, this point lies on plane. This point should also satisfy the equation of plane. If I substitute the coordinates of point A in the equation of plane, it should satisfy. It means substitute. So 2 times 1 minus k plus 3 plus 7k plus 4 plus 3 equals to 0. And solving, I will get k equals to minus 1. If I substitute the value of k, I will get coordinates of point A, and the coordinates of point A will be 1, 2, minus 3. Yes. We have to find the equation of line, the image of the line, which is again a line and passes through P dash A. I know the coordinates of point P dash. I know the coordinates of point A. and we know if 2 points on a line are given, we can find the equation of line, and the general formula is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 equals y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equals z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. And using that standard formula, I will get the equation of image of a given line, which is again a line and passes through P dash A. So ultimately our equation will be x minus 1 upon minus 7 minus 1 equals to y minus 2 upon 7 minus 2 equals to z plus 3 upon 0 plus 3, which is nothing but x minus 1 upon minus 8 equals to y minus 2 upon 5 equals to z plus 3 upon 3. And this is the equation of the image of given line. So this was all about finding image of a line which intersects a given line. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe to watch more videos. Thank you and have a nice day.